Tweet! 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 Tweet!
My favorite part of Show Me Mizzou Day is that I don't have to pick whether I love the arts or I love the sciences. I get to do it all in one day. Everyone had an opportunity to visit our observatory or get a backstage tour of our theater department or see a student art gallery in the Department of Black Studies. You had a chance to visit geology and learn about lava flows or go to the biology department to explore how wildlife tracking works. And some of you got to hear a special lecture by a Nobel laureate.
I think people will get out of the Show Me Mizzou Day just little bits of Mizzou that they didn't know existed. And so they'll get to find out those little new things to explore and what all we have to offer that they may not already know we have.
We went to the archaeological studies and we saw a lot of really cool motion capture, which was awesome. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, it was fun. It was fun.
What I really like about Show Me Mizzou Day is that it gives us an opportunity to demonstrate to the public the great work that we do in the arts, the great work that we do in music, the great work that we do in fields like history, and giving a deeper understanding of the human experience.
We are so excited about Show Me Mizzou Day when we opened our doors so you could explore all the terrific opportunities here at Mizzou and in the College of Arts and Science. We hope you had as much fun as we did. See you again next year.